Hello everyone, this is Tech with SMD. I will be showing you how to create About.me page. About.me page is a simple professional place or a professional website where you can showcase who you are and what you do. So let's get started. Let's go to their website. The website URL address is about.me. As you can see, the website is the page to promote who you are and what you do in one link. So let's get to the pricing page. They have a free version and they have a pro version where you will bill $6.58 per month. So the features, let's look at the comparison. So click on get started for free. So you can use Facebook, Google accounts, either Facebook or Google accounts to log in. But preferably, I would like us to use our email address to log in. So click on get your free page. So I'll be typing my email address here to sign up. Then click on next. You enter your first name and your last name and click on next. You put your location and click on next. So what do you love to do? What are your interests? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? So I like technology, design, and also web development. So I can click on next. What do you do? What's your occupation? I'm a web developer. I'm also a writer and editor. So I'll click on next. So now this is the section where you'll be able to tell people what do you want people to do on your page. Let's say you give a client or a customer your About.me page link. What do you want them to do with that link? So we have various options here. We have attend my events, back my campaign, download my app, hire me, listen to my music, and a lot more. But as a freelancer, if you're a freelancer, hire me should be the best option to choose from. So click on hire me. So you enter your link or a resume or a portfolio page of your works. So let me put my personal website and click on next. Here's a section where you add your photo. So click on add a photo. So I'll add my photo here. So wait for it to upload. So if you're okay with the photo, you click on looks good. But in case you have, or maybe you change your mind, you can click on change photo. Then I'll click, since my photo is okay, I'll click on looks good. So now we have three types of designs here. We have this design, we have this, we have this. So you can choose the option that you like the most. So I think I will go with this option, the middle one, the second option. Now click on next. You can customize the color. Click on any color you want, but I think I will go with this. Then click on next. You can connect a domain to your page. Let's say you have a domain already. You can click or you can click on help choose a new domain. But since I will continue with the free page, I'll click on continue with a free page. So here now, this is a customizable link that you'll be given, so you can share to your customers or your clients or to anybody that wants to know more about you. So you can customize it the way you want. I think I'll change it to SMD Tech. Then I'll click on next. So here you'll be able to put your password. Okay, you can click on next. You can save. Then you need to confirm that you are not a robot. Click on this. Then click on next. Click on show me my page. You can see our Aboutme page has been created successfully. So you'll be presented this page. So from this page, you can verify your email address. You can also edit your bio. Let's say I don't want this, I don't want all this right up. You can edit your bio by clicking on this edit bio. So you copy and paste what you want to write as an about. Then you can click on save. Let's say we don't want this design anymore and you want to change it to another different design. Go to your profile settings, go to appearance and click on design. You can change it to this, you can change it to the other design you want. You can also edit your bio or your interests by going to your settings by clicking on this profile icon and go to your details. You can change your interest, your occupation, add educational background and also your social links. So let's say I want to change my interest from technology design and web development to technology programming. I want to remove design. I want to add cooking. You just click on save. You can also change your occupation from web developer to just web developer and click on save. You can also add your education, add your school name and click on save. You can also add your social links. Let's say I want to add my Facebook. You put your Facebook details, facebook.com/smdtech and click on save. You can also add a lot more of your social profile sites. You can see we have a lot: Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, Upwork and so on and so forth. Numerous social media handles that you can add to your profile. This is how you can create an Aboutme page. In case you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and not unsubscribe for more instructional videos.